Hi folks! In the description of this video you will find the links for the PDF version of my tutorial on creating pattern diagrams for Viking Age tunics and dresses. This PDF accompanies the video titled Drafting a Personalised Pattern Diagram, a step-by-step guide to making Viking kit that fits. In this PDF I'll take you step by step through my method for making pattern diagrams for Viking Age kirtles and dresses. I'll show you how a simple kirtle or dress is constructed, breaking the garments down into their component parts. Then, starting with a set of measurements, and with the help of my example person Loki, I'll take you through how to accurately size each piece for a custom fit. We'll look at checking the fit of the garment over the hips if you need to before you start cutting, and learn how to create a handy neckline template for a simple, close-fitting, comfortable neckline. Finally, we'll look at how we can use our pattern diagram to make cutting plans to check that we have enough fabric for the garment, or how to know how much to buy for a particular project. There are timestamps separating each section of that beast of a video tutorial, and these are marked throughout the PDF so that you can switch between the PDF and the video tutorial as needed and find just the bit you want easily. You'll find the link to download this PDF in the description of this video, along with another link which just contains the pattern diagram template and notes for easy printing. I really hope you find this tutorial helpful. It's aimed at those just starting out, but I hope more experienced sewists can find something to take from it too. It assumes a small amount of knowledge that has already been covered in previous videos in the How to Make a Simple Viking Age Tunic or Dress series and the Stitches and Seam Treatments playlist. You'll find links for those in the description as well. Please feel free to share this document unedited anywhere you feel it might be helpful. Have a wonderful day folks, and I will see you soon. Bye!